Hi friends, I am here with my girlfriend Lisa Fishbein, and we are going to talk about real estate taxes and appealing them. And for those of you that are homeowners or about to be homeowners, you know it's a big expense and it has to do with the assessed value of your house, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of times many of us are overpaying, and you know we can potentially save thousands of dollars. So Lisa, can you tell us a little bit about what people should be looking for and what they should do and the process?
Sure. And first of all, there is no reason to be paying more than you ought to be paying. So every property owner in Lake and Cook County has the opportunity to file an appeal every single year. So
Right.
every year it's worthwhile to take a look at it and see whether you are being overassessed. And there's basically three grounds that we're going to look at, that you ought to look at. The first is just the facts. Make sure the information the assessor has for you is accurate. The second thing that you should look at is the market value. And an attorney can do a full market value analysis for you and see whether the value that you're at is your actual value. And then the last ground that we look at is something called equity. And for that, we're looking at other homes that are similar to yours in your neighborhood and making the argument that you have neighbors that have lower taxes than yours, and as a result, yours ought to be lower as well. So those are the three grounds typically that one should look
Right.
at. And then if somebody's overassessed, then I do recommend either filing an appeal on your own behalf or having an attorney file for you. And then for that, you do go to, in Lake County, there's a hearing. So you go and you appear in person at a hearing, and you can contest the case on your own behalf.
Okay, great. And there's a little window you have once a year, right?
That's a great question. So yes, there's a 30-day period, and you must file within that period. And if the 30 days has lapsed, so does your opportunity to file an appeal.
And then you have to wait a whole year. So you could potentially, if you miss it by like a day, you could be
Exactly.
cost you thousands of
Yes,
dollars.
Yes. And in Lake and Cook counties, it's a little bit different, a little different process. In Lake County, there is one appeal period, and it's through the Board of Review. And all Lake County property owners receive a blue sheet in the mail once a year. Typically, it's sometime in the summer and the fall. And from the day that assessment arrives, you have 30 days to file,
Right.
and you must file during that. Whereas in Cook County, you have two opportunities to file. You can either file first to the Cook County Assessor's Office, and if you're not successful there or you're not pleased with the result, you can file again to the Cook County Board of Review.
And Lake County is typically the end of summer when it comes out, and Cook County is...
Cook County is, depending upon what township you live in, it literally could be any month throughout the entire year.
Okay, so
So-
you want to stay on top of it, look for that little blue piece of paper, and reach out to your real estate attorney or try it yourself. But the cost of filing it is minimal to nothing and could potentially save you thousands of dollars.
Right, and what I always say to my clients is it really is a win-win situation, because most attorneys work on a contingency basis and they charge you a percentage of your savings. So if they don't win, there is no fee.
Right.
So
So you have
really is
nothing to
worthwhile.
lose, and you could potentially have a lot to gain. So,
Yes.
so thank you so much, everyone. Look for your assessments when they come in the mail, and thank you so much. Stay tuned. We'll be back soon.